Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Isnan bin Muhammad. My number metric is 08DMP19F2007. I'm with Muhammad Hakim bin Hamzah and also Nur Alia Syaira binti Hamizi. Today I'm going to present a topic of my project which is called Development of Smart PLC Training Kit. Introduction. Development Smart PLC Training Kit is a training kit that can help and share to students to find out information about PLC and IoT that we have improved. Based on this training kit, target users consisting of students are expected to improve their knowledge of programmable logic controller, which is called PLC. Students can add knowledge with training kits easily without using any other components. This PLC training kit can help students and instructors to more easily understand the basic concept of PLC in details by using the concept of the Internet, which is called IoT, so that they better understand clearly. For problem statement, there are two problems that I got from the training kit. The first is wire limited connection. The existing training kit is only able to connect some types of wire to work on the PLC. The second problem is limited device to connect into training kit. The existing training kit can only connect one device, namely the PC. However, the training kit that I provide can connect with various devices because I use wireless Wi-Fi. As you can see in the picture, this is a graph 1 for my point number 2. This graph shows that only 10% use computers in today's technological age. 35% use smartphone, so it will make it easier for students to teach to use training kits. Only need to use Wi-Fi on smartphone only, and do not need to use USB to connect training kits with computers. I have got two objectives from my project, that is can use most device to connect second using Wi-Fi instead of wire because it will facilitate the learning and teaching. So in this graph 2, there are two pictures. The first picture is called graph latency. Based on the first graph, we can know that Wi-Fi latency increases rapidly compared to internet latency, which increases slowly. Wi-Fi latency increased by 36%, while internet latency by 10% only. The second graph is called the second objective. On the second graph, I have agreed to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi has a medium connection range compared to RFID and Bluetooth, who connect range is only short and only contact range. While using cellular connection is long range, so it is not suitable for use on a training kit because the instructor and student will be in close proximity. Component connection for smart switch. Smart switch can be controlled at any time and from everywhere as long as there is a Wi-Fi connection. Smart switch. First, multi-device integration. As part of smart automation, most smart switch can integrate several devices for more convenient living experience. For example, a smart switch could be programmed as a custom. 2. Convenience. Smart switch can be controlled at any time and from anywhere as long as there is a Wi-Fi connection. For example, if a homeowner is out for the day or is traveling, appliance can be turned off to save on energy. 3. Cost saving. Using smart switch to efficiently regulate lighting, heating, and cooling an appliance usage can result in significant savings in energy costs each month. In conclusion, based on the results of the study, objective research that has been answered developing learning kits, smart PLC training kits are used to improve skills, increase efficiency in learning about programmer, logic controllers, and Internet of Things. Where there is a learning kit, teachers has the opportunity to apply this learning kit during the teaching and learning process. Through this learning kit, it can encourage teachers to carry out 21st century learning activities, namely student-centered learning and learning kits. This research, through the findings and analysis of the study, the data will help students to better understand their subject and to improve their performance by using teaching kits as a teaching tool. Overall, the researchers were able to prove the effectiveness of the use programmer logic controller learning kits to improve student performance for their subject. Thank you.